Hello there and welcome back. In this video I'm going to continue my series with the Battle project, and in the part 2 of this series I'm going to get you familiar with the errors and redirects. So let's start with the redirects. So when you may want to redirect an HTTP request, for example, let's say you have a context route which needs authorization to be accessed, and in that specific request your web server or web app didn't receive any kind of authorization in a form of cookie, token and so on, or an HTML form, and you want to redirect this request to a specific login form or something like that. So from Battle we will import redirect, run and route. We will have a route which is going to be the default context route, and here we will return the please authorize yourself. Let's make it a lowercase alt. We will have this route which is called login or restricted rather, and this restricted route is going to have some form of authorization function, and if it fails we will return a redirect for the default context route. Or let's just redirect it. And let me steal this line from the previous videos. So let's run it. Here we have the Battle web server running. Let's hit this context route. As you can see, we got the please authorize yourself message. Now, if I try to hit the restricted context route, as you can see, it is going to drop me back to the please authorize yourself part of the web app. And basically this is just one way to utilize the redirects. Of course, you may use it in a very different way. This was just an example. So let me show you something pretty cool about errors. Let's import error, route, run. Let's say we have the 404 error message, which is equal to not found. This needs to receive the error as an argument, and we will return that the requested content was not found. Let's also create a default context route. Let's do it with the index function, and let's return the welcome to Battle. Let me steal this line from the previous script. Let's stop the execution and run the errors. So now if I hit this context route, I receive the welcome message. The 404 error message will come into place when you want to get something on the web app which is not handled. As you can see, the response was that the requested content was not found. If I want, I can also define or override the response message for the 401. which means that this is typically the message you receive when you want to access something that you are not or at the moment authorized to access. So you shall not pass. And what I want to do is create a context root that you shall not pass, and shall not pass function should handle this context root, and we should abort with the 401 error message. And let's import the abort, and let's go and restart this. So we are welcome to battle. We give it some crap. We are getting the message that the requested content was not found, and you shall not pass must give us back the overridden response from the 401 error message. So basically this is what I wanted to show you in this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.